All right, you're going to be taking a look at OWCP. All right, that's right, guys. This is the one with the bomb. The bomb has dropped and finally went off with OWCP for so long. A sideways trading. We've talked about this many times, guys. Right here at the 72, just about a month ago, 72 watch resistance at 79.05, support at 71, 63, 6340. Must hold. A break at 79 would be bullish, and then plow. You guys finally made it through that bullish line. But actually, believe it or not, within that month, the bullish line has moved down to that 6588, and finally, you guys have broke through that. Beautiful move. There is a gap down here. I'm not going to sweat this gap down here. Not in the bottom. Not in the beginning of a run like this. No way. Not in the beginning. Normally within a day or so, we'll pay attention more to those gaps. But in my personal opinion, OWCP is going to be back on fire here, and it looks to be making some moves. Remember, back over here when it made this move on April 12th, you guys had a big move. Just couldn't make it through those resistance levels over here on the 20-day simple moving average. And then right here at the 30-day. But look at what happened the last time that it broke through this 30-day simple moving average. Is really important. Right through all of them over here on February 17th. And then plow. You guys went up to multi-dollar levels. Could it happen right now? It's setting up like it did before. I'm not saying that it will, but it's sure looking about the same way. So we're going to put our lines in here like we just did at 6/27. Today's date at 8/0. I'm sorry, today's date and the current price is 8/2. Watch resistance levels. We're going to put our resistance levels in here at 8.5, and then 90, and then support at 8.0 underneath that. I'm going to put the watch for the break of 90. In my personal opinion. And then, all right, so I'm going to put in here, watch resistance at 85 and 90, support at 80, watch for the break at 90, could run big again. It has in the past. It very, very well could happen again. And we're going to pay attention to a few more things here. I want to take a look at the time and sales as well, but the volume right now, huge volume in this one, OWCP. This isn't our first time watching this one, that's for sure. We watched this one back when it was at the double zeros. This was way back. But if you look at that list, take a look at this list. Each one of these lines, these short sentences, I guess you could call them, each one of those are going to be every time we've went through this one. And I mean, we started tracking it back in December 28th, but I know it was September of last year when we first really started watching this one. So OWCP, let's just jump over here real quick, take a look at the time and sales. For OWCP, that should be a little bit more telling once we see that. And remember, all this stuff is completely free over here on Investors Hangout with the time, price, and volume for each individual trade. Completely free. But look at that. A lot of green here, guys. A lot of green in that tape. That means obviously there's a lot of buying going on here. You go through the recent news, filings, and financials, all at your fingertips right there on Investors Hangout. We're going to continue to watch this chart, OWCP. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. Something is up here, guys. OWCP might be on the road back up. We'll see you guys on investorshangout.com/live.